Hello, this is Jake and welcome to an update on one of my cars. Now, we won't actually be seeing the car in this video. I won't be taking you to see the car, I should say, and I'll jump into that in a second. But please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Every subscriber helps me, so please do subscribe. And let's jump straight into it. Let's jump into the Fiat 500 restoration project. So, some of you may remember a couple of months ago, just before Christmas, I bought a 1972 Fiat 500 that needed a full restoration. I'd done, I think, 3 videos on it, clearing out and everything, so we could have a look at the floor and all that. And it is bad. I mean, the car's in a really bad state. I'm actually gonna put some footage in right now to just remind you all how bad the car looked. So there you go. That is how bad this Fiat 500 really is. And I had a lot of people messaging me like, is it even doable? It is doable to the right person. I've actually sold the car. I sold the car last week, last Sunday actually. And I've sold it to a guy who, can get it done. He's actually got to be customising it and putting a £20,000 Cosworth engine in it. So fair play to him. He's built a chassis for it. He's going to be cutting the car up and making it wider and all that. He's going to be making it a beast, basically. But it was too much for me. I was over ambitious. I bought a car. I saw it on now. My friends like, oh, do you want to buy it? I was like, yeah, I'll have it. Because another Fiat 500. Shouldn't have bought it. It was really quite bad. Like I said, it is doable to the right person, but I want to restore a Fiat 500. That is my goal. That's what I want to do on this channel. And I will do one, but that's just miles too far gone for me. I need to do something that's, well, first of all, I've never done one, never done a car restoration, so I need something simple, maybe a bit of welding here. Now I can actually do welding because of my pacemaker and my heart condition and everything, so I can actually do the welding. So yeah, I actually can't do the welding and all of that because of my condition, but we bought a welder. We was gonna get it all done. It was just, it'd gone too far. We was over ambitious with it. So I decided to sell it. It sold straight away. Didn't lose any money on it whatsoever, which was great. I mean, that's a bonus. And the upside to it all, I got some parts that, I can use on the next one I buy to restore, or even Yugo. I got some great bits for Yugo that I needed to get done, like seat belts and everything, proper original seat belts as well. Where the one in Yugo at the moment is just temporary, not a proper original Fiat one. So that's good. I got some parts for that. So yeah, that Fiat is gone now, and the plan is to actually buy another. Now, I'm not sure when, because I'm buying a dream car. I'm selling near Bath to buy a dream car. The Bath is actually for sale now, so I'm not sure when, but I will buy another Fiat 500 to restore, get the floor done, make my own. Because the most important thing to me was getting that one done and painted, because I want to name a Fiat 500 Millie. And that was the plan. When I was looking for one, I was going to try and get a cream one and call it Millie, but unfortunately the blue one popped up. I fell in love with that. I ended up calling it Yugo. So I do want to get a Fiat 500, restore it. Some like work, like floor panels might need doing, some of the arches. Nothing as bad as what this one looked like, and just get it sorted, and get it back on the road. And I probably would end up keeping it as well. And I also want to get the estate version to turn it into a pickup, one of my goals as well. So yeah, but that's what happened to the blue Fiat 500. It's now gone. Like I said, you won't see no more on this channel. A lot of people were really interested to see a full restoration, like step-by-step videos and that, but I'm sorry, I couldn't do it. For first time restoration, it's too much work for me. I bit off more than I can chew straight away. But like I said, the person come up for it for sale, and I was like, yeah, I'll have it. And I probably shouldn't have bought it. But there we go. So thank you all for watching. I shall see you all soon with hopefully another Fiat 500 project. But I just wanted to update you on that today. Just get that out of the way so you all know what's happened with it. And like I said, the guy who's bought it, he's built a chassis, he's making it wider, he's turned it into a race car and everything. So he will send me pictures, and I'll probably update you all on those pictures as well as soon as I get them. But yeah, that's what's happened with it. It was sad to see it go. It actually was. Even though I haven't done nothing to it, I haven't owned it that long, it was sad to see the car go, because I love Fiat 500s. But I will get another, and I'll have more on that later in the year, because when I do get another, I do plan to actually go to Italy and get another, which would make a great video, a great series. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I shall see you all soon. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye for now.